Hello students, welcome to the session. Our topic for today is our body. Our body is an amazing machine. It helps us to see, hear, taste, feel, etc. It also grow, breathe, reproduce, etc. No other human body can perform all the activities at the same time. That is why it is called as our body is a wonderful machine. Let's go forward and understand the human body. The human body is made up of tiny units called cells. Cells are the basic unit. These are the main structural and functional unit of the body. Cells are of different kinds, but same kinds of cells together form tissues. Tissues then perform special functions to form organs. There are different organs in our body. Different organs work together to make our body walk, run, play, etc. Sense organs. We know everything about the world with the help of our sense organs. Human body have 5 sense organs. These are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear the beautiful and melodious sound of this world. Nose help us to smell. Tongue help us to identify different tastes, for example, bitter, salt, sweet, sour, etc. And skin. Our body is covered with skin. Skin help us to feel hot, cold, etc. We feel pain with the help of our skin. Let's go forward and understand various systems of our body. Our body is made up of both external and internal organs. Let us understand different systems of our body. First comes up the skeleton system. Our body is made up of bones. These bones together form skeleton system. In human body, there are about 206 bones. Skeleton system provides shape and support to our body. It also protects the internal and important organs of our body. This is the image of our skeleton system, which consists skull, ribcage, backbone, knee point, etc. Next comes up muscular system. Muscular system is made up of muscles. Muscles cover the entire body. It is attached with the bones. Next comes up our nervous system. Brain, spinal cord and nerves form the nervous system. They controls all the actions of our body. They receive and send signals to all parts of the body. Next comes up digestive system. The process of changing food into soluble substances that can be used by our body is called as digestion. Digestion process is done by our digestive system. Digestive system consists mouth, food pipe, stomach, large intestine, small intestine and anus. It begins as soon as food enters our mouth. The mouth chews the food and send it to the stomach. Stomach act on the food and make digestive juices and then further sends it to the small intestine, then large intestine, and then the undigested food get out of the body with the help of our anus. By this process, we get energy from our food. Next, go forward and understand respiratory system. Nose, windpipe and lungs make the respiratory system. As you can see, nose, lungs and this area is our windpipe. As you all know, we need oxygen for breathing. The process of taking in oxygen is called as respiration, and the respiratory system supplies oxygen to all parts of the body. It starts when we inhale oxygen through our nose and reaches to our lungs through windpipe. From there, it goes to different parts of the body. Breathing purifies our blood. We should breathe in fresh air. We should breathe through the nose and not through our mouth. Keep the windows open of the room. Do not cover your face while sleeping. This will block the flow of oxygen from your body. Next comes up circulatory system. Heart, blood and blood vessels make the circulatory system. This is the image of a heart and these are blood veins which carry blood, which forms circulatory system. Here the heart acts like a pump. It pushes the blood to the different parts of the body. Pure blood carries oxygen and other nutrients to different part of our body. Next comes up our excretory system. Kidneys, skin and lungs make our excretory system. Waste of our body needs to be removed regularly for smooth functioning of our body. This process is done by the excretory system. Our body throw out the waste materials through different organs. Kidney remove the unwanted materials from the blood in the form of urine. Our skin also removes sweat. We release carbon dioxide from our lungs when we breathe out. All these things are not necessary for our body and need to be excreted from our body for proper functioning. And the last comes up reproductive system. Reproductive system of our body helps to we produce one of our own kinds for the continuity of life on this planet. All these systems have their own functioning, but they work together for the proper functioning. All systems of our body has different functions, but they perform it together for the proper functioning. I hope students you understood about the different parts of our body and the sense organs as well. That's it for today's class.